welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria, and this week I wanted to do, why did I put my hand in my face? This week I wanted to do a room cleaning slash redecorating slash bedroom makeover kind of vlog. So I've been really obsessed with home selling shows, home makeover shows recently, especially Selling Sunset on Netflix. If you've never watched that show, go check it out. It's literally the best show I've ever watched in my entire life. But anyway, I just have gotten a lot of inspiration to redecorate my room, and I kind of hate my room, not gonna lie. When I moved houses with my parents, I was like 10 or 11 years old, and I had this amazing idea to paint my room bright blue, and it's really ugly, and it's not ugly, it's a nice color, it's just like really childish, and it's not my favorite thing. So the goal of today is to not only clean my room but make it look more adult-ish, teenager-like, make me not look like I'm two. This is the room right now. This is what we're dealing with. Please excuse my insane amount of pillow pets. It's on my bed. I kind of love them, but I just have like that, and my closet is nasty. I gotta fix that, and my desk is just okay. I have this gross painting, but I don't think I can take it down because it's like a memento from my childhood. And then I have like that mess over there, and I hate it. And then I showed you guys the other night me putting up my gallery wall. Hey guys, what's up? So it's Maria of the past right now. I apologize for my appearance. I literally just got back from school. I'm tired, like really tired. I had a long day, but my posters just came in that I ordered. So basically this wall in my room, it's kind of plain, it's kind of ugly, and I've had these on there, which they're cute, like go 4-year-old me for making artwork. But at the same time, I'm kind of old for it now, and my room feels really kiddie. Like it feels like I'm a freaking 4-year-old. So I ordered some posters. I didn't order them with frames just because I'm lazy and cheap. So I just thought I'd hang them up on my wall without frames. So that's what we're gonna do. I have this picture of the Rialto Bridge when I was in Italy this summer. I have this picture of some, like, this is like the roof of a bit of the Duomo in Florence, and then that's like the houses underneath. I love this picture. And then I ordered some like vintage travel posters. This is Visit Palestine. If you don't know, I'm Palestinian. So I got one of those, and then my favorite city ever, New York. Love the energy in New York, so I had to order a travel poster from them, which I also took in Italy this summer. This is on the cliffs of Monte Rosso, I think, or I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's been a long time since I've been there, so I'm not really sure where it's from. And then I'm also really into old movies. My dad's old, and so I'm into old movies. So this is High Society poster, which I love, vintage movie poster. And then my favorite movie of all time, North by Northwest, with Cary Grant, directed by Hitchcock. Love this movie, so I had to get the poster, and I am going to hang these up on this wall. I'm actually like really happy, and I'm really excited. I think it turned out really good. I'm just like I'm kind of a perfectionist, and I feel like my stuff is never good enough. Like literally everything in life, I'm like not good enough at anything. So I'm probably gonna go through and fix it a little bit, but I really like it, and I'm really proud of it. So, and I'm sure future Maria is gonna catch you up on what's gonna happen next. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Half of it already fell down because I used really crappy tape, so I have to tape that back up, but that won't be a problem. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys me like cleaning and redecorating my room because I love, why do I keep putting my hands on my face? Because I love those kinds of videos. I just want to apologize in advance if I look or sound really dead. It's because I am. I had a 3-hour practice this morning, and the energy is low. The appearance is weak. Just everything is not going in my favor. So step 1 is going to be this portion of my room. So over here I have this gross pile of books from my sophomore year that I haven't gotten rid of, and my really horrifying closet. My closet, it used to be so organized, but then I just kind of let it go. And I have an insane, all of this is sweatshirts, which I know, like, my collection of sweatshirts is literally crazy. I have so many freaking sweatshirts. I just think there was one thing, I have a memory with every sweatshirt that I own. So I can't get rid of any of my sweatshirts, but I need to get rid of some of my sweatshirts because there's so many here. I literally just got a new sweatshirt. Like, I need to stop. I have a literal problem. But yes, I'm gonna get started on this decluttering and cleaning, and you guys can enjoy. Why do I keep putting my hand on my face? Oh my god. You guys can enjoy an awesome time lapse of me just cleaning. So yeah, let's get it started. This is excessive. Oh my god. I have so many.
I woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shadows out my way. Banana pancakes for my problems, find me jamming old Jack Johnson. Swear I heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls.
I don't know if I'm in focus because the lighting's really bad in my bedroom. We're just gonna go with it. Should not have gone with it. What I've gotten done, I mean, it just looks so much better. Redid my shoe and bag area, and now I'm going to tackle this. I'm not proud of this section of my closet. It's gotta be the worst part of it. I mean, film that I have to develop. All my jewelry, like, this is sad. All my really, I mean, it's like $5 from Claire's, but all my jewelry is just like scattered in here. And like here, I mean, this is, I don't know if I like this thing. I don't think there's any good way to organize jewelry. And then I have my makeup, which is grossly put in here. And then even over on this ledge of my room, I have all this crap just here. I gotta fix, this is all disgusting. So that's the next step. I'm not looking forward to it because I know that this part's gonna take a long time, but I'm just gonna get to it and we're gonna get through it like the troopers we are. Alrighty, so I just finished the closet part. I think I'm done with this closet. I have all my sweats. I'm not changing my shirts or my sweaters because I like how they are, and I obviously have my pants over here. And then I still got my shoes in the shoehorn. That's been really great for me so far. And then I fixed this. I didn't organize anything here. I just closed it. I was like, I can't deal with this right now. And then in here, I just kind of reorganized all my makeup by brushes, face products, all those good things. And then I just my hats were already organized. It just didn't look that nice, so I made them look a little nicer. And I'm happy with how this looks. The next step, which is honestly the step I've been dreading because I haven't cleaned this closet in years. By years, I mean I haven't touched it since I moved in, is to check this closet. This is my dress closet. I rarely ever go in this closet because it literally gives me anxiety. It's so messy. I hate it. I hate it so much. I don't think I'm going to touch the top shelves at all. Those are my like electronics shelves, but I am going to fix this. So let's get started on that.
Oh, 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 oh. As heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, oh, oh, down on me. Nothing quite like all this color, couldn't paint a better day. Got good times on the horizon, I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me, had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear
I just finished this part of my closet. You guys, it hasn't looked this good in years. So the top is the same. I left that all the same because I'm too lazy to fix it. But here on the bottom, I cleared everything out. I may move like these shoe boxes, I don't really know yet, into here. And then I came up with this really awesome backpack hanging system. So I hang one on the front and one on the back so they balance each other out. So my really nice backpacks are hanging up, and then my not as nice backpacks are just sitting on the ground here. And I'm obsessed with how that turned out. So now the next thing I think I'm going to tackle is my desk. It's horrifying per usual. It's normally pretty bad, but it's actually, believe it or not as bad as it normally is. So this should be a quick fix. I'm really in love with the collage right now, so I think I'm going to keep that the same. And then I may just kind of fuss around with how this looks, but I like it a lot. I have some pictures. This is me in Hawaii, and then I took this picture in Italy. I'm obsessed with it. One of my favorite things to do. Super cheap hack if you're looking for like a good way to get pictures, like to have pictures in your room. I got those frames on Amazon. They're called, I think, like document frames. They're like $5.99 a piece. Actually, I think I got $10.99 for a pack of 6. And then I bought this paper. It's the HP Everyday Photo Paper. You just load that into your printer and print out your pictures, and you have literal pictures that you frame them, and they're amazing, and I love them. If you want your pictures blown up like I did on this wall, I did these on a website, I did these on a website called Short Run Posters, and I just submitted my pictures, and I think it was like $6 a poster. The big ones I think were $6, and the small ones I think were like $1 to $2.50. I don't know, they're pretty cheap. You can see some of them fell on the ground because I used crappy tape to put them up. But yeah, that's one of my biggest tips ever. Buy some photo paper. It will save you so much money. Hey guys, so it's Maria of the future coming at you. Basically, my camera was having some technical difficulties yesterday and it wouldn't let me record for more than like 3 seconds. I don't really know why. I'm going to figure it out so I can make some more videos. But basically, there was a very uncomfortable jump from this moment to tomorrow. But I essentially finished cleaning up my room, tacking up my posters, picking things up off the ground in my desk, and I went to bed, and then I woke up the next day and I started doing my bathroom. So I wanted to let you guys know so you would not be really confused like how I got from this point to the next point of my day. So, peace out. Hello everyone, welcome back to day 2 of cleaning my bedroom. Sorry if I look disgusting compared to yesterday, but I just didn't have the effort to put in my appearance. So the room is still looking very clean. I've actually been very dedicated to keeping it really clean. It's only been one day, but we're gonna hope for the best because I really need to keep it clean because I can't do this every week. So today I'm going to be attacking the bathroom. First of all, the desks are disgusting. Not the desk, like the table countertop is gross. And the drawers are actually like a whole lot worse. So I felt like it'd be really satisfying. Cleaned out my bathroom and you guys could see like the drawers. Like I love that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna set up my tripod so you guys can like see the drawer and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna get to cleaning because this is gonna take a very, very long time.
Heard them angel calls, lay outside as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me. As heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me.
Okay, you guys, so I just finished cleaning my bathroom. I hope that time lapse was fun. To me, it was like super satisfying. So I loved it. I don't care if you didn't, whatever. But the drawers, oh my god. Everything just looks so much cleaner and just so much better and just less gross. This down here, major improvement, especially like this drawer. I mean, this drawer isn't that cute, but it's like all my travel stuff and it's like bulky, so that's fine. And then this drawer is just like empty. So if I get more crap, I can throw it in there. Overall, I'm like really pleased with how everything turned out. All of the floor over here is clean that was like gross before. Everything is just so much cleaner and I'm so happy with how everything turned out. And my room still looks so good. Like obviously I have like a couple of, like I have the trash bag which I now have to take out and this stuff and I have to put my tripod away. But other than that, everything is so clean and I'm so happy and this took so long. But I'm so happy. I love filming videos where I clean my room because it forces me to actually clean my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. I upload every single Monday at 3 o'clock unless I have other things to do like school. But most of the time I'm up every Monday at 3 o'clock. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.